Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe with the blessings of Allah. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. This is your computer science class and your teacher Miss Nazia Avkas is here. My dear students, today we just continue our same chapter, chapter number 6, Formatting in Word 2013. So today we are going to discuss number 1. First of all, we have to recall about Home tab. Then we just overview what is default settings, and we recall true false and MCQs. Then we start our next work, descriptive type questions from page number 71. Okay students, so let's talk about today's objectives. Number 1, how to work on basic formatting features. Number 2, how we can use different features in MS Word 2013. Okay students, so first of all we start from font group on Home tab. What is Home tab? Home tab contains commands for changing the appearance of text. If you want to write any story, essay or any paragraph, you have to apply all these different fonts like font size, bold, italic, underline, font color, text effects, etc. Hope all of you do the practice at home, right? Okay student, so now let's talk about default setting. What is default settings? Settings that are standard or predefined in a software are called default settings. But we can make changes to these default settings, that is called formatting. Hope all of you have completed this task in the book page number 70, true false. You can change both horizontal and vertical alignment of text. To change the margins of a page, click the page layout tab. The default bottom margin of a page is 1 inch. You can set the text in a maximum of 3 columns. In the landscape orientation, text is printed along the width of the page. Okay students, so let's overview of question number 2. Circle the correct option from page number 71. I hope all of you have also completed question number 2 in your book page number 71. If still you have not completed, please tally your answer from the slide and complete your task. Okay students, So this is the time of question answers. Okay, so let's start from question number A. What is question number A? Write the keyboard shortcuts. We are talking about shortcuts that we can use from the keyboard. Write the keyboard shortcuts to change the line spacing. So what is the line spacing for the one line? Means single space. For the single line space we need control plus 1. What is that? Control plus 1. If we need single space, I mean single line space between two lines, we have to press from the keyboard control plus 1. If we need double space, I mean for two line space, we are going to use the shortcut control plus 2. What is that? Control plus 2 for the double line spacing. Clear, students? Okay, so now question number B. What do you mean by default setting? Hope all of you learn that settings that are standard or predefined in a software are called default settings. It is clear? Hope it is clear to all of you. All the students, you have to learn it and note down in your computer notebook. Okay, students? Question number C. How can you insert a page break in a document? To insert a page break, click the position where you want to insert a page break and then go to Insert tab in the Pages group, then click Page Break. Question number D. Differentiate between horizontal alignment and vertical alignment of text. Horizontal alignment is the position of text in relation to the left and right page margins. And vertical alignment, what is vertical alignment? Vertical alignment is the position of text in relation to the top and bottom page margins. Hope it is clear. How can you insert a page break in a document and differentiate between horizontal alignment and vertical alignment of text? Both questions learn and note down in your notebook. Question number E. In Word 2013, look at the paper tab. Explore the different paper sizes and in particular note the dimensions, width and height of A4 size paper. Why do you think A4 paper is the most widely used size of paper? Why not a smaller size or a bigger size? Okay, what is the answer? A4 paper is the most widely used size of paper because it is a convenient size that has become the standard size in most countries. That's why we mostly used A4 paper. Hope it is clear. Okay, now we have finished all the question answer and all the students, my good students, brilliant students, they have to complete the work in their notebook. Okay, students? Question F. Explain how you will format your school magazine in 5 columns. Do you think it will look good with 5 columns? Would an even number of columns give it a better look? Why do you think this? Answer. First of all, we have to click the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click Columns and specify the number of columns. Like if we need 5 columns, we have to specify 5 columns. Okay. So an even number of columns may look better visually. That's why we think so. An even number of columns give it a better look. Hope it is clear all the students. Thanks to all of you and Allah Hafiz. Take care.